Hello, hello, Ederson Oliveira here. This is the DNN tip of the week. Let me ask you a question. Do you know that if you create a new role in DNN and you give that role edit permission to pages, do you know that they cannot add new modules to those pages yet? Do you know that you have to set up certain things on the modules like the HTML module to allow other roles to deploy that module, to add that module to pages? Do you know that? So that's what we'll be talking about in this video today. Hope you like it. Before I show you the DNN tip of the week, I want to pause for the cause here. I want to bring to your attention Deployable. Deployable is my organization, my company, where we support, we help people just like you with DNN websites that you may or may not need some extra help there. Maybe help troubleshooting certain problems that might be happening with your site. Maybe just entering content. Maybe you are implementing some SEO strategies on your site. Maybe you want to upgrade your DNN site. You want some tweaking done to the theme, to the skin, to the layout, to the look and feel. Maybe you need some guidance to select a good module to do certain things that you want to do. We can help you on that as well. We can help you as an advisor too. Maybe you want to connect with a vendor to do some coding for you, to do some programming, to do some custom module development for you. We can help you with that as well. Again, on Desktop, we can help you a lot with various different aspects of DNN for a very low cost monthly subscription. So again, reach out. You know me, and that's my organization, that's my plug. Okay, so first, here's the setup that I have. I have a DNN 911 website running on my local environment. I have created a new role called Content Editors, and on that role, I have created a new user called Ederson. So I have also created a page called About Us, and on this page, I have given edit access permission to the content editors. So I'm going to open the same site on another browser, and I have logged in as that user. I'm in the home page. The user doesn't have any special privileges in the home page. However, if you go to About Us, now we can see the content menu on the persona bar. We can see the edit icon as well. So I can click there, and I'm going to click again. So it's stick around. Now, if you notice at the bottom, we just have two options: add existing module and page settings. We don't have the icon here that says add new module. Why is that? Well, let's go back there as super user. Let's have a look here. So as a super user, I do have the add new module. How can we allow a new role to be able to add modules to the page as well? Well, we have to make a few adjustments to the extension or to the module that we want to allow editors, in our case here, content editors, to deploy them, to add them to pages. So we have to go, as super user, we have to go here to settings, extensions, and then from here, the first extension or module that I want to give permission for content editors to add will be the HTML module. So let's scroll down. Here's the HTML. I'm going to click the edit icon. I'm going to scroll up. I'm going to go to site settings, and then on site settings, we have this permissions by role, which says here can deploy. There's nothing checked here. Only administrators will have access to deploy at this point. However, I want to add content editors, our new group. I'm going to add here, and I'm going to say, hey, content editors should be able to deploy this extension or this module, the HTML module, as well to pages. So I'm going to just save this. I'm going to go back here to where I'm logged in as a content editor. I'm just going to refresh this page. And now, as you can see, we are now able to add a module. So if I click there, now the only module that we have allowed so far is the HTML module. So that's the only one that will show up. And I can click and add that. And you can do the same thing if you have more modules, if you have more third-party modules that you want to allow a content editor or any other role to be able to deploy that. This is how you control who has access to deploy and add modules to pages on DNN. That's it. Thank you very much and bye for now. If you like this DNN tip of the week and don't want to miss out anyone, subscribe.